Advancements in Turkish naval warfare technology are once again drawing attention. A platform currently in the spotlight is the MARLIN SIDA, an unmanned surface vehicle developed through a collaboration between ASELSAN and Sefine Shipyard. From the outset, this platform was designed as a modular naval vehicle capable of executing a wide range of missions, spanning reconnaissance and surveillance, surface warfare, and electronic warfare to fully autonomous operations. These developments mean MARLIN is no longer viewed merely as an armed unmanned vessel. The platform is evolving into an unmanned naval combat system capable of carrying out diverse, high-risk missions without placing a crew directly in the operational zone. One of its most compelling capabilities is the integration of technology to detect and classify targets, as well as, in specific configurations, support naval mine-laying operations. MARLIN was developed as an autonomous surface vehicle, ASV, measuring approximately 15 meters in length. Data from Turk indicates a beam of about 3.85 meters, a displacement of roughly 21 tons, a cruising range of approximately 1,000 nautical miles, and a top speed of around 36 knots, though actual configurations may vary depending on the mission and installed equipment. Since its early development stages, MARLIN has been designed with command and control systems and autonomy software. These systems enable the vehicle to operate via remote control in semi-autonomous modes or through fully autonomous operational concepts. This capability allows MARLIN to receive route plans and mission assignments, subsequently utilizing sensor data to navigate and avoid various obstacles. Naval mines possess unique characteristics in maritime warfare. These weapons can be deployed along shipping lanes, remaining submerged or resting in the marine environment for extended periods, thereby confronting passing vessels with unpredictable threats.